My name is Julie Barrette. I'm a PhD student for the Center for Temporary Engineering at Napier University. And I just started to work on a research degree in wood science.
What was it that made you want to come to Napier in Scotland to study?
I moved to Scotland about 3 years ago, and at first I worked, and then I decided to go back to study because I wanted to do more research. Really, that's what I wanted to do, and also I wanted to have a career in research. The subject of my PhD is to study the chemical from wood cell, and then to see if we can use it to improve products like composite materials or paper.
What degrees did you do before your PhD?
First, I did a BSc in forestry, where I learned how to manage the forest, and then I did a master degree in wood science, really on wood quality, wood properties, and then I started the PhD just not very long ago, and really on wood chemicals.
What made you have an interest in forestry to begin with?
I was interested in the environment and working outdoors, and forest is really a natural environment. So I wanted to learn how to manage the forest to get the best benefit from it, really.
And why did you want to develop this into wood science?
In your BSc in forestry, you learn really more how to manage the forest, but then you still don't know what happened in the mills. So you manage the forest, but you don't know the end products. So I really wanted to make the links between the forestry and the wood science, the end products.
What do you enjoy most about wood science and forestry?
I think wood science is a very large field. So you can do with chemistry, with physics, with mechanics, and with anatomy, and there's a lot really, and all of the fields are very interesting.
How do you manage to balance your own time and your personal life with your degree?
I think it is quite flexible, and I don't have any problem with it. I'm expecting to have a baby in less than 2 months, and I'm still working, there's no problem. I'll take a maternity leave for 6 months after having the baby, and then the baby will probably go to nursery, and then we'll share the tasks between my husband and I, so that I can continue to work and he can continue to work as well. We can take care of the baby.
Why would you recommend a research degree to somebody else?
But you get good opportunities really to travel around the world and to get different experience from different university and different background. And if you really want to be specific in a domain, it's really, I think it's necessary to do undergraduate degrees to do more research, and then you get a good career as well when you do that. Research is a good opportunity to travel as well because, for example, last Christmas my husband had to go for a conference in New Zealand. He's working for forest research, and we used the opportunity to go to New Zealand and to travel for a month. It's a very beautiful landscape, very nice country.